Hey, Money Magnets, let's dive into how to get business credit with bad personal credit before 2025.
That's right, guys. We're going to show you how to build your credit so that you can fund your business dreams.
Let's dive into how to separate your personal from your business credit.
All right. We all know that accounts are on our social security number,
Yes.
like mortgages, car loans,
Mhm.
student loans, and credit cards. Now, if you hadn't paid those, or you got collections, or maybe you were late, or it could be a situation where you've never built personal credit before.
Yeah, Marvin. Money Magnets, it is so important that you follow these steps that we're going to give you so that you can go ahead and infuse your business.
Now, we're going to show you how to set up your business and also start accounts with your EIN number, which is your employment identification number. So, step number one, you're going to go to the Secretary of State in your state. When I first set up my business, I was in Tennessee. So, I went to the Secretary of State in Tennessee and I set up my LLC. Now, we're not giving you guys tax advice. So, make sure you consult with a tax advisor before doing this.
And then the second step is you're going to go to the irs.gov and you're going to set up your EIN number, which is your employment identification number. Now, this separates you from your social security number. You have your social security number and you have your EIN number.
All right. And a lot of you may start with your home address because it's not going to cost you anything, but it's okay later on if you want to set up a virtual office address. And we're going to give you a company named Opus who will not only set up your office address, they'll help you with a phone number and they'll report to your business credit.
Marvin, these things are so important. And we want you to know, Money Magnets, that you have to set your business up properly.
Yeah.
We get so many times our students in our mentorship program that have not set their business up properly, and that can cost you money later on down the line. The next step is to go to GoDaddy.com and get you a domain.
Right.
It's really important to have a website, and they'll give you an email address along with your website. This is so important. Money Magnets, banks are looking at websites as well as having a professional email address, not a gmail.com, but whatever your company name is.
Yeah. And the good thing about GoDaddy, they got some new AI features where if you kind of stuck on the name, they'll help you with AI come up with a name that's perfect for a domain. And remember, your domain does not have to be the same name as your LLC or your corporation.
And if you're having trouble with setting up that website, you can also go to Fiverr or either Upwork and hire someone to help you set up your email address. And they're very inexpensive.
Yeah, I still use Fiverr and Upwork to this day. I'm not the technical person. I know what I want to do, but I need some help sometimes. So it's okay, guys. And also remember, we got another video that shows you how to set up your LLC for as little as $39.
We're going to jump right back into this video, but I just wanted to take a moment and share something with you. I know you're wondering, how can you qualify for this card if you don't have great credit? Well, guess what? I've been there before. I went through a bad divorce, I had collection accounts, and I even lost my business. Well, no worries. I have the solution for you. It's Luxury Credit Hacks. It's a 3-step process. Number 1, it imports the credit report for you in under 1 minute. Can you believe that? Step number 2, it creates your dispute letters for you. You don't have to think about it. And number 3, it emails it to you. So then all you have to do is print, mail, and you're done. All the work is done for you. Let's head right back over to the video.
All right. The next step, guys, is to set up your business phone number. Now, if you chose to have a virtual office with Opus, they'll give you a phone number. Or you could take your personal cell phone number, use your new EIN, and ask your carrier to turn that into a business phone. Or you got choices like RingCentral or Vonage, which can give you a new business phone number.
Now, Money Magnets, this is a good way to build business credit because Marvin and I actually turned our personal cell phone numbers into business lines.
Yes.
And you can write it off on your taxes.
Right. Now you want to make sure that that business phone number is in a directory. You could do a directory like listyourself.net or yellowpages.com and make sure your number is actually listed, guys.
Now that you've completed all the steps, you want to make sure that your business is listed with Dun & Bradstreet and Experian. Now, make sure, Money Magnets, you don't have to pay to be listed with Dun and Bradstreet.
Right.
They will try to sell you, but that's not something you want to do because that gets very expensive.
Yeah, you can go to their website and go find my business and look for your business. If it's not listed, you can contact them, give them your corporation name or LLC name and your address, and then they'll list it for you. It may take a couple weeks, but it's good if you're trying to get government contracts or before you set up your business bank account.
And this account is absolutely free with Dun and Brad.
Right. And the same thing with Smart Business Reports or Experian Business. Go there and do a search for your business and make sure not only the business name is correct, but also the address is correct.
Now that everything is listed and complete, you want to go get your bank account.
Yes.
This is very important. Start looking for banks that fit what your needs are going to be for your business.
Yes. Or even go with the bank that you're currently banking with your personal credit. But make sure you have your articles of incorporation and your EIN number, phone number, email address. Make sure you got all of this with you when you go to the bank and set this account up. And if you can, deposit as much as you possibly can. A great number is about $5,000 to make sure you get a high bank rating, that'll help you later on. But if you don't, set up the minimum. It could be $100, and also set up some kind of direct deposit every 2 weeks, whether that's $50 or $100, because now you're building your bank rating score.
Okay, Marvin, let's dive into some of the accounts that you can get with bad credit.
Right. So I would set up Uline first. I've done this several times. Uline will report to your business credit within about 30 to 45 days. You probably want to spend a minimum of $150 on your first order.
Next, I would set up Granger. Granger is good for if you need locks and things to that nature for your business. Now, keep in mind, all of these will report on your business credit. And this is a great way to not only grow your business, but to start building business credit.
Yes. And if you need office supplies, you can look up a company called Quill. They're great for if you need paper, ink, for your copy machine. Even they have all kinds of office products.
Now, next, we're going to recommend that you set up NAV. You can build business credit with NAV while you're checking your personal credit. This is a great way to continue to build and jumpstart and infuse your business at the same time.
And then after this, guys, I want you guys to join our free community. We'll have a document in there that gives you several accounts you can choose from, and we'll give it to you absolutely free if you join our community.
Okay, Money Magnets, if you're struggling with those nagging items on your credit and you trying to build business credit and fix your credit at the same time, no worries, because we have a video that will show you how to fix your personal credit.
Yeah, guys, and I want you to comment below if you want more videos like this that not only show you how to build business credit, but show you how to actually fix your personal credit as well.
I have a gem.
All right, what you got?
Okay, so Money Magnets, if you want to know more about business credit, check out this next video.
I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.